trying to get back into the market, but your account's been deactivated? Let's bring your Robinhood account back to life. Open the app and log in. If your account is eligible for reactivation, you'll see a prompt right away. Follow the steps provided, which may include verifying your identity, updating expired info, or resolving past issues. If no prompt shows up, tap the account icon at the top right and go to Help and search Reactivate Account. You can message Robinhood support directly for assistance. Sometimes accounts are restricted for inactivity or missing documents. Support will guide you through getting everything back on track. Have you had a Robinhood timeout before? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.